In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice sound angry using Elevenlabs in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a dramatic scene for a project or simply want to add a bit of emotion to a narrative, mastering the art of conveying anger through voice can be a powerful tool. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this. First, you need to open Elevenlabs. This is your starting point and where the magic happens. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Text-to-Speech. This feature will allow you to transform your written words into audio with the right intonation and emotion. Now, when creating an angry tone, incorporating emotional stage direction into your text is crucial. Think about the context of the anger you're trying to convey and weave that sentiment directly into your script. Phrases like, "He shouted angrily," or "She fumed," can help the AI understand the emotion you want to emit. Punctuation is another vital element. It's not just about what you write, but how you write it. Use punctuation creatively to control the rhythm and intensity of the voice. Short, clipped sentences can convey frustration, while exclamations can highlight heat and urgency in the dialogue. Consider how you manage pauses and emphasis through your use of commas, dashes, and periods. Next, to really bring out the emotional expressiveness, you want to adjust the stability setting within the software. Lowering stability results in a voice that is less monotone and more dynamic, which is exactly what you need when aiming to capture the raw essence of anger. This tweak can add the necessary volatility and intensity to your narration. When generating clips, it's a good idea to keep them short. Anger is often communicated through bursts, with lots of energy packed into a brief span of time. By focusing on short passages, you maintain that sharp intensity, which is characteristic of an angry expression. Writing your text as if it were a screenplay can also aid in achieving the desired effect. In a screenplay, emotions are often encapsulated in the actions and reactions of characters. This approach can serve as a guide for not only what's being said, but how it should be said. The choice of voice matters profoundly in delivering an angry tone. Select voices that inherently carry a more aggressive or forceful quality rather than softer, mellower ones. This can amplify the emotional heft of your message. Once you're satisfied with the text and settings, it's time to hit generate. Now your angry voiceover is ready to be downloaded. Take a moment to review your work and make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything sounds just the way you intended. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making a voice sound angry in Elevenlabs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're now equipped with the skills to bring vivid emotional depth to your projects.